I used just 3 ingredients to make this milk balls, and I'm showing you how to make this. In your pot, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Sorry, I used 2 cups because I was doubling the recipe. So you're going to add 2 cups of granulated 1 sugar and 2 cups of water. And then you're going to make sure the sugar has melted entirely, and the sugar syrup is a bit sticky. At that junction, you know it's done. And you're going to do this on low medium heat. Remember, when I keep saying this, you don't need high heat for everything, unless maybe you're searing meat or fish or whatever, and maybe the cooking process requires you to use high heat. But in most cases, low heat, medium low heat is the best. So keep stirring until the sugar is well melted and the syrup started to get sticky. And at this junction, it is ready. I'm going to put this off heat, and then we're going to move to the next step. Now, in my butcher mix food processor, I'm going to add this attachment, and then in my bowl, I'm going to go in with about 8 cups of powdered milk. Now, after adding the powdered milk, all I'm going to do next is to pour in that hot sugar syrup and then process the powdered milk with the syrup till I get a soft, slightly malleable dough, a dough that you can modify or manipulate however you want. So basically, that's what you need to do. I'm adding the syrup, as you can see, slowly until I achieve the desired dough I want. At this junction, if it is too sticky, depending on the brand of powdered milk you're using, you can actually add more powdered milk. I use 8 cups here, but you can use even up to 10 cups. That's the difference when you're using different brand of powdered milk. I can't even remember the brand of powdered milk I used in this video, but you get the message. And what I'm saying here is, if the dough turn out sticky, add more powdered milk. That's literally what I'm trying to say, because different brands of powdered milk will give you different results. Thank you. So at this junction, the dough is ready. As you can see, it is time to manipulate and mold this into into small medium balls as our milk balls. And now look at that. You can dust this with maybe some cocoa powder to get the chocolate version. You can also just leave it like that, or you can dust it with icing sugar or powdered milk. It all depends on you. You can be creative as you want. So at this junction, our coconut balls is ready. This is one of the recipes from my from scratch product you can make from powdered milk. I've shared how to make evaporated milk, condensed milk, buttermilk, full cream milk, milk toffee. Here is the milk balls. I'm going to show you how to make dinner milk, dinner rolls, and also yogurt, all from powdered milk. I hope you're watching and you wouldn't want to miss the rest. Also, you can follow me on my other social media platforms as Chef Amors. I'm on Facebook, YouTube here, and Instagram, TikTok. I'm trying to be active on Snapchat. I'm not really good at that, but it's Chef Amors 001. Somebody is impersonating me on Snapchat and also on YouTube. But then you're maganin so anyways, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also follow for more, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.